Good morning everybody, good morning. Today I will teach you grammar, English grammar, okay? English grammar and composition. Besides that, today grammar last day I did not complete page number 17F, okay? If I have completed it in my YouTube class, if you have completed, please don't do it. Revise it in your book. If you don't complete, please do it with me. Just I'll do a little bit fast. Okay? So page number 17. Page number 17. Page number 17, you can see that hotel serves a variety of delicious dishes. Number 2, number 1, number 2, page number I have written page number 17, page number 17, okay, page number 17, please open that, last I did not complete, okay. So here delicious dishes number 2, the children or child, the child was so singular number. Child was flying a kite. Number 3, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth because tooth not teeth. This is a plural number. Number 4, Nitin is not wearing shoes. His feet have become dirty. Feet. Number 5, all the children should play. All the children play. Number 6, 2 policemen were guarding the main gate of the building. So 2 policemen, okay, 2 policemen, and after that number 7, and also gate, G-A-T-E. Number 7, I brought 1 loaf of bread and 2 peaches, P-E-A-C-H-E-S, 2 peaches. Number 8, dash and dash are dirty insects. So you can write fly and mosquito. So you can write flies and mosquitoes, anything you can write, okay? So whatever you can write. So please write flies and mosquitoes. Anushka, you cannot see me. Okay, Aniruddha, you cannot see me? Okay, let me see what is happening. Now I think it's okay. Okay, flies and mosquitoes. Okay, Aniruddha, I think it is okay. Okay, Rajanna, no need to cry all these things. No need to give this smiley. Okay, please write your book. And here, I am just telling that here dishes, child, kite, teeth, feet, children, policeman, gate, loaf of bread, peaches, flies and mosquitoes. Okay? Why are you giving all these smileys? Please write in your book. Anushka, please write. If you have completed, please write better. And please, page number 17. Everybody, please, page number 17. Last I could not complete, so that's why I have completed. Dishes. Hotel serves variety of delicious dishes. The child was flying a kite. Number 3, the brush your teeth twice, everybody. Number 4, Nitin is not wearing shoes. His feet have become dirty. All the children should play at least 1 hour every day. Number 6, policemen. Here, number 6, 2 policemen were guarding the main gate of the building. Number 7, I brought 1 loaf of the bread, okay, 1 loaf of the bread and 2 peaches, 2 peaches. Number 8, flies and mosquitoes, flies and mosquitoes. So, next page, I will go to the next, the gender, page number 18. Page number 18 we can go that, okay. Page number 18 we can go. And here, gender, I have already given the class. Besides that, please listen to me. Gender, that he group and she group. He groups means he group and she group belongs to not only the human being, he group and she group, animals, birds. Of all these are called gender, like king, queen, father, mother, like this, peacock, peahen, this and birds, animals, horse, mare. So, here all the he group and she groups shows the or denotes gender. He group, so first we are telling the page number 18, gender. So, here he group denotes, he group says, you cannot hear properly, Tripurna. Know why? Microphone is yes. Okay, let me see what is the problem. I don't know, some network problem is there. Show. Okay. So, here he group we can tell masculine gender, masculine gender. She group we can tell feminine gender, feminine gender, F-A-M-I-N-I-N-E, feminine gender. So, he group masculine gender and she group feminine gender. So, example we can give, he group king, or we can give that father. Please remember masculine gender and feminine gender. He group father, okay. Then after father, then he, father, animal, horse and peacock. Peacock. She group mother, mare, peahen. So, these are example, okay, these are example. Masculine gender, horse, peacock, And after that, she group, mother, mare and peahen. So these are masculine gender. Besides that, masculine and feminine, besides, we can also get two types of gender, that is common gender and neuter gender. Remember it, common gender and neuter gender. Common gender means like children. If we are telling that children come to the ground, sometimes all the teachers, sometimes some teachers, games teacher or teacher, they are telling children. Children means all boys and girls. Lina, stop the camera. Okay? Lina, stop the camera. And here, after that, also teacher. Teacher means lady teacher, gents teacher. If you are having cousin also, that boys or girls. So these are common gender. Friends may be boys, friends may be girls. So these are cousin, friends, teacher, children, doctor, all these are common gender. Only these things you know that. And neuter gender is like this. Neuter means that non-living beings. We can tell also neuter gender. Here, one thing, page number 18, we should do page number 18. Page number 18, we can do that. Page number, there are some options. There are some options are there, masculine and also feminine. Masculine and feminine. Here masculine we can write uncle. Please write page number 18, masculine uncle, washerman and horse, peacock. Number feminine, aunt, then cow, then queen, then lady, okay, then lady. Here uncle, washerman, horse, peacock, aunt, cow, queen, lady. This chart you have to write that. Then we can go to the page number 19. Please write slowly. Please write slowly and check it. After that you can write again. Next, page number 19. We can go to the page number 19. Okay? Page number 19. Page number 19. We can go. Page number 19. Those who could not complete, I will give all to this. I'll give to my e-portal. Okay? Page number 19. Here, king, queen. Only I am writing the answer. Queen. Next, uncle, aunt, here, aunt. Number 3, princess, princess, C-E-S-S. Number 4, god, goddess. Number 4, madam. Sir, madam, peacock. Number cock, hen. 7, cock, hen. Then after lion, lioness. Those who did not do, they will only check. They right, those who have done, please check it. Bull, cow, then horse, mare. Okay, horse, mare. So page number 20 we can go. Again I am just telling queen, king, queen, uncle, aunt, prince, princess, god, goddess, madam, sir, madam, peacock, peahen, cock, hen, lion, lioness, bull, cow, horse, mare. Okay. Next page, page number 20. Page number 20. Page number 20. Here, page number 20 we can just go. Here, heroine acted beautifully. Here they are telling underline the nouns in these sentences. Write aim for the nouns and masculine gender for aim for the nouns of masculine gender and aim for the nouns of feminine gender. So here the heroine acted beautifully. Obviously heroine they have given. Number 2, husband, her husband works. So just I am rubbing these things. Husband, page number 20. Husband, you can underline. Husband, here M. Then number 3, priest, underline it. Priest, M. Number 4, 2 ladies, ladies, F. Sir. Okay. Ladies, F. Then number 5, tigress, 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 F. Tigress, F. Number 6, sir, M. Number 7, headmistress, 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 F. Number 8, he wanted to sell his old mare, mare, underline it, all these underline it, mare, F. Here number E I have completed. Please underline it and write it. Okay. Then page number 20, another thing is there. Washerman, washerwoman, washerman, washerwoman. Only answer I am writing. Washerwoman. Number 2, F. Husband and wife. Okay, I am writing only wife because you have to write in the gaps this answer. God and goddess. Number 4, cock and hen. Number 5, uncle and aunt. These things you have known that. Besides that, I will give some another things. You can write in the book these pages or any copy 4 or 5 new things I will give. Any English copy you should write. Any English copy please write. Yes, everybody, I have seen that. You please write in your copy. Next, you will write in your copy. Okay. And those who have Those who have written is okay. You can see my YouTube class. E-portal also I am given. I have already given your question answer of little by little and assignment page. I have given that little by little and that Nina and baby sparrows. If you could not write the question answer, you can check it from there. And here things I can give you. Like this, goose. Do you know anybody? This is masculine. This is feminine. Gander. Or I think this is masculine and this is feminine, this is masculine. Okay, okay. Goose, gander. Only change you can do. Bachelor. Bachelor means unmarried person. Unmarried person. Okay? That is BACHELOR. Spinster. Okay, number 3. Bachelor spinsters. Please write. Dog, bitch. BITCH. Number 4. Tiger, tigress. Number 5. Number 5 also you can see that you know that hero, heroine. Number 6 also you can think about that. Brother, sister, you know that. These 6 or 7 things, please write in your copy. First one, goose, gander, bachelor, spinster, dog, bitch, tiger, tigress, hero, heroine, brother, sister. Sir, I think কেটে গেছে দেখছেন ছেড়ে দিন আমার আর দরকার নেই তাও একবার বলে দিন অন্তত Please only these 6 things you should write and remember all these things, okay? These 6 or 7 things I will give more to my portal and today this much. Thank you. Have a nice day.